Thank you for watching another UPCI Music Ministry video on YouTube. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel in order to get the latest content videos and tutorials.
Okay, so in the bridge, it's got a pretty simple progression, just going like a 3, like a 1/3. And I moved to the lower voices for like a chug sound. That'd be your 1. Your 3, and for this scale, is the F. So I'm just putting that F in the bass, and I'm playing it again with my ring finger. And I'm catching the root with my pinky finger, and it gets this sound. All right, and that's the 1/3. So you could just think of it in terms of a 3. At least that's how I think. And then we go to the 4, just in a power chord for the F sharp. To the 5, power chord for G sharp. And then 6, power chord for that B flat. Right, so that's it. That's the progression for the bridge. There is a run that the whole band hits, and you'll see it in the playthrough. But the notes are really simple. Just hitting the 7, 1, 5, and those notes there are a C, D flat, up to that A flat. Now I did choose to play it an alternative way besides this. There's tons of ways you can play that. I chose to do this in the playthrough because it made it a little bit easier to get back down in time to grab the next chord. So that's all there is to that lick, and then it's back out to the chorus and then to the outro.